Today in Crypto. This weekly roundup of news from mainland China, Taiwan, and Hong Kong attempts to curate the industry's most important news, including influential projects, changes in the regulatory landscape, and enterprise blockchain integrations. In this 30th edition of the Shanghai Man column, we preview the Wanxiang Shanghai Blockchain Week, an offline event that normally is the biggest blockchain conference on the Chinese calendar. Next week, despite all of the regulatory crackdowns, the event is still planning to go ahead, albeit with a one-month delay from its usual place in mid-September. The flagship event, Lush Sucks, a decade of ass-whipping and skullduggery in a single NFT. October 18, 2021 Crypto scoring big with European football. October 13, 2021 Fan tokens. Date rating your favorite sports team. October 7, 2021 What it's like when the banks collapse, Iceland 2008 First-hand. October 5, 2021 Crypto City, Guide to Tokyo. October 1, 2021 Changes in the ranks. Catching the NFT trend. Losing out to the US. The best of blockchain, every Tuesday. By subscribing you agree to our terms of service and privacy policy. Leave this field empty if you're human. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. The Associated Press news agency announced it would be launching its own Chainlink Oracle node to ensure any data from its U.S. newspaper and broadcaster members would be cryptographically verified. In an October 21 announcement, the Associated Press, or AP, said smart contract developers would have access to the agency's economic, sports, and race call data once the node was operational. According to the AP, it will be publishing data on-chain for developers to access and reference in any relevant applications, in addition to providing information on upcoming elections and serving artists working with non-fungible tokens. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. KuCoin integrates new social trading features on its mobile app. Users can access the trading features via a special space called KuCoin S. KuCoin aims to provide a whole new trading experience through social trading features. KuCoin Exchange has announced that it has introduced multiple social media features, particularly on its mobile app. Specifically, the features are currently available in a special space called KuCoin S. At this time, all the eligible users can have a whole new experience prior to the KuCoin app launch. Moreover, KuCoin hopes to increase user satisfaction levels as well as the growing demands from crypto exchange users through social media features. In doing this, the exchange mainly targeted the newcomers who have just jumped into the crypto space. In fact, this achievement has been KuCoin's long-term goal to bring crypto experience to the masses. The newly integrated social media trading features will eventually push KuCoin to become the largest social trading platform in the crypto space. By using the KuCoin S, users will not be deprived of getting the most up-to-date crypto news feed with Owl-based algorithms. This will further help them to discover crypto gems, news listings, and also know investors and their trading preferences. On the same note, users can interact with coals, discuss trending crypto topics, and learn more about trading strategies. Commenting on the matter, KuCoin CEO Johnny Lee said, "Most practitioners in the crypto industry were focusing on building better tools to improve the interaction between humans and protocols. Therefore, the lack of interactions between users has led to the increasing educational costs and slow pace of popularization of the industry, hence creating obstacles for mass adoption. By releasing the social trading features, KuCoin has upgraded its UI. To clarify, KuCoin rolled the upgrade to suit the new social feature for Generation Z. The company's social trading features were inspired by the theme of futurism to upgrade its colors, graphics, and interface. What is more, the social trading features released also use the concept of node. Each of the nodes works independently, echoing the new trading features of KuCoin. At the moment, only the invited users can access the social trading features, but KuCoin pledged to send out more invitations. Created back in 2017, KuCoin is a cryptocurrency exchange with more than 400 digital assets. Continue reading on CoinQuara. A decentralized autonomous organization, the PleasrDAO, is in possession of Once Upon a Time and Shaolin's only copy. Did the one-of-a-kind Wu-Tang Clan album finally find a rightful owner? The PleasrDAO tried to buy it using cryptocurrencies. The U.S. government required dollars, so an intermediary stepped in, assumed the risk, and brokered the deal. This saga just keeps getting better and better. Bitcoin has been rejected in the high area around its current levels and trends to the downside in the daily chart. At press time, BTC's price has slid back into early week levels, trading at $62,668 with a 1% loss in the daily chart. The bullish sentiment remains as Bitcoin has been able to retain its profits in higher time frames. The benchmark crypto smashed its previous all-time high at $65,000 and roared its way up to the $68,000. Related reading: lucky buyers possibly bag $8,000 Bitcoin during early morning flash crash. Analyst John Wick believes Bitcoin could follow a similar trajectory as in 2017. As seen below, BTC performance has been imitating the price action at that time with a similar ATH breakout and continuation of the bullish trend. On this rally, Bitcoin has managed to break several all-time highs in its indicators. The upwards trend has been propelled by the launch of a BTC Link ETF in the United States. This investment product tracks the price of Chicago Mercantile Exchange (CME) futures contracts. Thus, many traders are looking into Bitcoin's open interest as it made its way up with the price of the underlying asset. The BTC futures open interest toy stands at $5.75 billion in the CME, according to data from SKU. The exchange now traders more contracts than Binance, FTX, Bybit, and other major exchanges, most likely due to the impact of the Bitcoin ETF. Related reading: Bitcoin new all-time cleared, $100,000 straight ahead. Further data provided by Quant point to a heating up in the futures market with the leverage ratio increasing to September levels. Funding rates are going positive, as traders expect more gains and short-term investors take leverage Bitcoin positions. The Bitcoin option open interest follows a similar trend that the futures market, Delphi Digital noted. The OI in this sector also reached an all-time high. The firm said the following on the increased interest on this market: this was expected given BTC's new all-time high and futures markets hitting record open interest levels too. Most activity is centered around short to mid-term call purchases. In the short term, Bitcoin could continue its rally as historical data suggest. Some analyst claims BTC's price tends to return to discovery mode a few days after a successful push into new highs. Related reading: despite new ATH, Bitcoin exchange reserves continue to decline. However, as the futures market runs hot, the bulls could face hurdles. In the past, whenever too much leverage enters the market, Bitcoin tends to correct to shake out short-term investors. Only time will tell if history repeats. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.